Yo, what's up everybody, it's Rich here, and let's talk about the future. Have you ever been scrolling through your feed and seen something that just blows your mind? Like, how is that even possible? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you the future we always imagined, the one with flying cars and robots, is closer than we think? We're talking brain-computer interfaces, self-replicating robots, the whole shebang. This isn't some sci-fi movie marathon, guys. This is the real deal, happening right now. And trust me, once you see what's on the horizon, you're going to want to buckle up. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into the future. From AI advancements to space tech, the future is now. Imagine augmented reality glasses and virtual reality gaming setups becoming everyday tech. Even our healthcare is getting a futuristic upgrade with robotic surgeries and advanced medical tech. And transportation? Hyperloops and autonomous vehicles are just the beginning. The future is bright, and it's happening faster than you think. Alright, so remember those chatbot apps we used to mess around with? Yeah, forget about those. We're talking next-level AI companions now. I'm talking about digital beings that can learn your habits, your emotions, even your terrible sense of humor. Companies like Replica and Sanctuary AI are on the front lines of this tech, building AI that can think, feel, and adapt like never before. Think about it. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that actually gets you, that can challenge your ideas and make you laugh. That's the kind of future we're looking at, and it's way more than just lines of code. It's about connection, about companionship, and honestly, it's pretty mind-blowing. We're talking about AI that can understand your moods, your preferences, even your dreams. They can be your confidant, your sounding board, your partner in a late-night debate about the best pizza toppings. Okay, maybe not the last one, but you get the idea. And the crazy part? This isn't some far-off fantasy. We're already seeing glimpses of this technology in action. Replica, for example, has created an AI companion app that allows users to form surprisingly deep connections with their digital companions. People are using these AIs to combat loneliness, to explore their creativity, even to help them process complex emotions. It's a whole new world of possibilities, and honestly, it's making me rethink everything I thought I knew about artificial intelligence. Because this isn't just about robots taking over the world. This is about technology enhancing our lives in ways we never thought possible. So, yeah, the next time you hear someone talking about AI, don't just think about self-driving cars and automated customer service. Think about the potential for real, meaningful connections with digital beings. From healthcare to education and even the creative arts, AI is revolutionizing every field. Doctors are using AI to diagnose diseases, teachers are leveraging AI to personalize learning, and artists are collaborating with AI to create new forms of art. The rise of AI is not just a technological shift, it's a cultural revolution. And as we embrace this new era, the possibilities are truly endless. Okay, let's talk transportation. I mean, who wants to be stuck in traffic, right? Imagine this. You need to go from New York to LA. Do you spend hours in a plane, or do you hop into a Hyperloop and get there in like a fraction of the time? Elon Musk's Hyperloop project is literally trying to reinvent travel as we know it. Picture this. Pods traveling at insane speeds like 700 miles per hour inside a vacuum tube. No friction, no air resistance, just pure speed. And it's not just a concept anymore, they're out there testing this thing, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It sounds crazy, right? Almost too good to be true. But that's the thing about the future, it usually is. And for those who still crave the feeling of the open sky, supersonic travel is making a comeback. Companies like Boom Supersonic are building planes that can cross the Atlantic in under 4 hours. That's faster than some people's commutes. The future of travel is about speed, efficiency, and pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. And honestly, I'm all for it. No more traffic jams, no more airport delays, just pure, unadulterated travel bliss. Imagine a world where you could have breakfast in London, lunch in New York, and still make it back to Tokyo in time for dinner. That's the kind of future that Hyperloop and supersonic travel are promising, and it's a future that I, for one, am incredibly stoked about. But it's not just about speed and convenience. These technologies also have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about distance and global connectivity. Imagine a world where traveling from one side of the planet to the other is as easy as hopping on a train. It would break down barriers, foster cultural exchange, and create a more interconnected and understanding world. And let's not forget about flying cars and autonomous vehicles, which are also set to change the way we move. Companies are already testing these technologies, and they could be a reality sooner than we think. The future of transportation is not just about getting from point A to point B, but doing so in ways that are faster, safer, and more efficient. It's an exciting time to be alive, and I can't wait to see where these innovations take us. Okay, picture this. You're living in a city that practically runs itself. Traffic lights that adapt to real-time traffic flow, buildings that optimize energy usage based on the weather, Even roads that can repair themselves. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, guys. This is the reality of smart cities, and it's happening right now. Places like Neom in Saudi Arabia and Songdo in South Korea are leading the charge, using AI and interconnected technology to create urban environments that are efficient, sustainable, and, dare I say, pretty darn cool. Think about it. Imagine a city where everything is connected, where data is used to optimize every aspect of urban living. Traffic jams become a thing of the past, pollution levels plummet, and resources are used with incredible efficiency. And it's not just about convenience or efficiency. Smart cities have the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. Imagine a city with sensors that can detect air quality issues and automatically adjust traffic patterns to reduce pollution. Or how about a city where streetlights dim automatically when there are no cars or pedestrians around, saving energy and reducing light pollution? These are just a few examples of how smart city technology can be used to create a more sustainable and livable future for everyone. So yeah, the future of urban living is looking pretty smart, pretty connected, and honestly, pretty exciting. Alright, let's talk about something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, but is actually closer than you think. Brain-computer interfaces. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are working on tech that could one day allow us to control devices with our minds. Yeah, you heard that right. No more keyboards, no more touchscreens, just pure thought to action. Imagine typing an email, playing a video game, or even controlling a prosthetic limb just by thinking about it. That's the kind of future that brain-computer interfaces are unlocking, and it's equal parts exciting and mind-boggling. But it goes even deeper than that. We're talking about the potential to upload knowledge directly into our brains, like downloading a skill or a language matrix style. Think about it, want to learn a new language? Boom, instant fluency. Need to master a complex skill? No problem, just download the knowledge directly into your brain. It sounds insane, I know, but the possibilities are truly limitless. Imagine a world where education is instantaneous, where the barriers to learning are completely shattered. It's a future where our minds are no longer limited by the time it takes to read a book or attend a lecture. This is the kind of technology that could fundamentally change what it means to be human. And I, for one, am incredibly excited to see where it leads. Ctrl plus Alt plus future is not just a concept. It's a glimpse into a world where our minds and technology merge seamlessly. Space, the final frontier. It's a phrase we've all heard before, but it's about to take on a whole new meaning. Because the truth is, space is no longer just the realm of government agencies and sci-fi movies. Private companies are launching rockets, building satellites, and dreaming of interplanetary living. SpaceX, for example, isn't just talking about going to Mars. They're actively developing the technology to build a self-sustaining city there. Think about that for a second. A human colony on another planet. And it's not just SpaceX. NASA is working on lunar habitats, private companies are developing space tourism, and asteroid mining is becoming a serious industry. We're on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, one that's driven by innovation, ambition, and the boundless possibilities of the cosmos. Imagine a future where we're mining asteroids for valuable resources, building space stations that orbit the Earth, and sending humans to explore the solar system and beyond. It's a future that was once confined to the pages of science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming our reality. So, yeah, the future of humanity is looking pretty cosmic, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to see what we discover out there among the stars. The final frontier is truly open for business, and the opportunities are as vast as the universe itself. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the rise of AI companions to the potential of brain-computer interfaces, from the promise of smart cities to the new space race. And the truth is, this is just a glimpse of what the future holds. The pace of innovation is accelerating at an unprecedented rate, and the lines between science fiction and reality are blurring more and more every day. We're living in an era where the impossible is becoming possible, where the only limit is our imagination. But here's the thing about the future. It's not something that just happens to us. It's something we create. Every invention, every discovery, every breakthrough is the result of countless hours of hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of progress. So let's embrace the unknown, let's push the boundaries of what's possible, and let's build a future that we can all be proud of. Remember, the future is in our hands. Let's make it extraordinary. So, did any of that blow your mind? Because honestly, I'm still trying to process all of it. If you're as pumped about the future as I am, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which of these technologies you're most excited about. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of tech and innovation. Because the future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we create. And it's something that, together, we can make pretty darn incredible. Stay curious, stay inspired, and let's build the future together.